In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import phone photos from an iDevice to your computer using iMazing. Just be very mindful that this option you should only be using if you are keeping original photos stored on your phone and you don't use the optimized storage option, because if you do that you will only copy over thumbnail sized photos rather than originals, and you always want to get the originals. So if you have optimized storage on, this is not for you, or you need to change it and store original size on the phone. So let's start iMazing, and at the same time I will plug in the iPhone, and you can now see my iPhone is that one that's plugged in currently, and I want to access my photos. There we go. So it shows me all the photos in my camera feed on my phone. And I can either select them all or I can choose just a few. So I'm going to take the last 3 here to demonstrate that. So I select these and then I choose export. And I'm going to ignore all that for the time being. We don't need that. Next. And then I can choose a place on my computer where I want to send these photos to. So in this case, what I want to do, I'm in the gathering stage of all my photos from everywhere. So I'm going to make a new folder here saying from iPhone. So I'm creating a new folder and I choose that folder and it will now export. This is only because this one is in trial mode. I haven't entered my activation number yet. So if you're trialing iMazing, this is what you get. So you can transfer 50 photos, but no more. So I will just say continue. Yes, I want to try that out. And now I can see that it has already processed what I've told it to do. So clear that. And when I now go into my Finder to that Gather Mess folder, this is the folder I just created. There are my 4 photos in full size. There we go. They are all here. And from here, you can process them further and you can import them into photos, or process them if you're working in a Finder structure.